and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. MJCTU observes the International Workers' Day. Broom farmers cannot compete with a price hike. BSF Meghalaya nabs 2 Bangladeshi nationals from West Garo Hills border. And Achek leaders misunderstands the system, says Hito. And now the news in detail. On the 1st of May 2023, the Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Unions and Association celebrated a May Day close to the Secretariat office, taking up various agendas like taxation, trades and the banking sectors. On this May Day 2023, MJCTU vowed to work for the welfare of all and for further highlighting of the united struggle of the working class by reverting the anti-people pro-imperialist policy regime, consolidating the unity of the workers at the grassroots level. They exclaimed that they reassert their commitments to socialism and resolved to continue struggling for a society free from exploitation of one human by another, to extend international solidarity to the struggles of the toiling people against imperialism and neoliberal economic order, and to make the country safe for women with equal rights.
For the decision which will strangle the people. During election time there was no load shedding. Election over, ministry came, and within 1 week load shedding started. Can't you get power supply from national grid? You are saying you don't have money, but every other day our chief minister is going to Delhi begging money. Where does money go? Is it going to their party fund? You are getting so much assistance from the central government, but nothing is coming for the people. Even you are not able to supply power. This is sheer indiscrimination, sheer exploitation, and sheer torturing the people. Students are in distress. And then another issue that we can talk about is that Shillong has become a horrible place, not only Shillong, in terms of traffic jam. What is the plan of the government? They will hire some expert from Japan, from France, who does not have any knowledge about the local situation. Is it the way to solve it? Control of traffic and the fares, rates collected by the taxi fares has got no rationalization. There is no public bus service. Even if it is a skeletal public bus service, does not happen. As we are standing here, not a single public bus service, I have not seen that, not a single going this way. How? What is for government? This is an welfare state. And government does not listen to what or do anything for the public. We can't remain silent on these issues. These are to be raised time to time, and we must force the government to listen to the voices of the people. Again, there are many issues to talk about. I have talked only basically on the resolution part. And thank you for listening me and giving me the opportunity to serve the MJCTU even while I am staying outside Shillong. Thank you very much.
Step one committee celebration jungi di hatani committee mangi kum kinam tray idan sipun kijing dawa ng sarkar gaway walang sarkar minta kaile kumno ban penkela ban privatize yakikam kijam adian ng ta kaile kumno ban pen train ya ni kinong tray bat nagbawan ra ikini kinong tray bat kum tang sipor tang contractual levels nakabala ban kunyot yaki hakapay nam bayni nang ta akarukum tray nakam kajam jongki de mangi kum union ipersya ay gani i dawa baga sarkar kamdai ban kenben ini kinong tray daga baknyot daga nyot yang ni bat tunjuro hakkan ni kapor menta wi ba sarkar India kadang iu yang ni ke NPS kelak thar komiti ngi yang persya bat mengi na ke income tax men hakaski sa jan i penong i convention ban persya ya ke NPS sarkar haupnai leber mentau senem thar komiti kini gidi gibut kumno ban penjalan ya kajing dawa jungi ban pensange ya ke NPS ban wanra biang sing ni ga old pension scheme ti akan ni kasni lembaga jingdan jongki di kerman baga sarkar dan snap yang ni bat ya kajing dawa jungi kinong tray ban kenyot ben ban le stom anda kini kubai sibon fi boro kubai
fi boro kubai kani ga video tasni ni hangi ko CTU idan kani ga demonstration ban celebrate pada May Day hamni ladon bon ki seng ki bon ki bawan ke postal department BSNL ke income tax dan banking sector the insurance ban way de diwan ni ban pengi ban pensngau akhmat dengan sarkar bangi persya ya kajing di policy dengan sarkar di barang anti worker anti poor but kini ki policy thamai jongki kiba penruspa tangi kiba ruspa kita capitalists company onong nrei kiba you right ya ka hok jongki nong trade menta kini sarkar jungi kemudian center bahastit kilong kiba persya ya kibriyo kibakwa kiba ai mankuan mentoi diusmet kamtam namta kini nong tri sarkar nidon kini national pension scheme kematmai apa kibrio ana kila song thaj ka pension kidai banyo hab kabadai banyo 100% ka basic ndre hakani ka NPS muta what 10% ndan bayo kita ngidon ki company ngidon ki fax ki company beri pula song thaj yo pension na ki yo tang ba 6000 siski o 6000 sibnai ngidon ki yo 1000 sibnai ndre barang shem hak new pension hak old pension scheme idai ban yo kumno life of hajar but life of hajar itu kepada yo last basic pay jungki pada ko hajar itu kepada last basic pay jungki kepada 1000 di ban yo atau hajar ngre akan new national pension scheme yo itu bayo di ban yo life of hajar yo hajar itu ban yo hajar yo fangsi hajar ini ke gedong peni bag sarkar kam don jing ngau kam don jing ye namta kinong tre jungi kwa tamban sim ban kain tang yan dehi te akan kani kasi golong kasi potang kau perka kerpang yang i nomor kita kasni ngi celebrate jing dap chispa snem jangan jing celebrate dengan media lingkong lasdang achenai daga media madras lagi nong madras sih lagi nong train madras but kita kani media celebration nang he andre nampak policy penturan.
With the high cost of living in the cities and villages of the state, the price rise is attaining a height among people cannot cope up with. Farmers, especially ones who produce brooms for a living, are facing a grave difficulty since the cost of living keeps increasing, but the price of brooms are decreasing. On the 1st of May, the former MLA of Mausinram constituency, HM Shangpliang, encountered a group of farmers who cried out for help, complaining that the price of brooms are too low and they cannot compete with the price hike that is going on everywhere for every product. Speaking with the media persons, HM Shangpliang sympathizes with the farmers, stating that the price of brooms should not go down over to 130 rupees, but it should increase above 130 rupees. Therefore, he requests the government to look into the matter with keen consideration, since broom plantation is not an easy a task as one may assume. He urged the farmers to write to the government regarding their struggles.
bangan on ba nilayo iki kubor ba kaladon ga jing shem jing ya ki nong rep jungi khamtam iki nong rep sensar ba marsendep ka election menta kador jong sensar kelahir hadu mencum snap kador jong sensar kapoi hadu ki sispa lai pho sikilo ndai menta kelahir na ka sispa klapoi siki kendai pho kendai pusan ka sikilo na kwa bangan ketu sila sorkar ba ka dei bakan kitkhya kan ka kam ba kinong rep star jong kim dei bakin shem yakum kata ka jing nomor balai ba om dan daw hangdong noro ngam sim yo ya kan no ka daw ba kei ka daw ba kan hier ndrei ka don ka jing khnyot ben hangnor no hakayo tiga ke agriculture department ka ban budin ba ka dor jong sunsar ka deban ne sispa lai pho la ne deban kiu na ka sispa lai pho seneng om deban hier na ka sispa seru kata ka dei ka jing bat ka dei ka sur jong ki nong rep sensar ka bang apen yo sawa leba na phi baro bapin tentu haki pai baru bakin ya ai da ka jing tho de se ka representation se ka government ka dei ban budin ban le ai kalau kan kata ka irregularity kata ka jing supply jong pusbo re menda ngaso ba kita kisbo kila boy dele se nang ni sakmat ni de bangin budin banga kentu gitu ginong rep balada sisa katang don kum kata kecik haki baki de ban penpoi da ka kerja jing tho sha ka office jong UDO la new district horticulture officer pangin ya budin ya kata ndrei kecik kalong ba lada la ai ko order but kamar kampoi teka day ka concern jong minister in charge of agriculture lane jong ka department ka ban budin ya kani kam but kide bakin penpoi ya katakas bo sakitra no rep ni baro.
On the 30th of April 2023, troops of 100 Battalion BSF Meghalaya apprehended two Bangladeshi nationals, namely Mohammad Habibullah, 31 years old, resident of district Netrakona, and Mohammad Jahangir Mia, 35 years of age, resident of district Noakhali, both from Bangladesh, who were found loitering suspiciously inside the Indian territory in West Garo Hills district. As per the revelation by the apprehended Bangladeshi nationals, one Bangladeshi tout, namely Farooq, resident of Sherpur, Bangladesh, facilitated both of them to illegally enter the Indian territory. He promised them to get a job or work in India and to arrange fake documents for them. Apprehended persons were handed over to police station Pura Khasya, West Garo Hills for further legal formalities. When the union Achik from Garo Hills wrote to A. Kharmalki, IAS Director of Urban Affairs, that there is a tamper in the job reservation for people of Garo Hills, the president of Hito, Donbak Dakhar, on the 1st of May 2023, counter-attacked the union Achik union because after a thorough research with solid evidence, there is no deprivation of job reservation for Garos as accused by the Achik. He added that it is just a misunderstanding from the part of the union. He urged the Achik union to do their homeworks and conduct a thorough research before pouring it all out to the media persons or anyone for that matter.
Ton stage po relo ngaro batik mungkin Achik conscious holistically integrated krima kebagi lapha ka shti syai I Kharmalki IAS kebaong ba ki persat halor kebantu kam dia kita ki non ngaro te halor kata ni pan kali aseng ni sungkya bat milik wat kajing tip ba kuno utaw IAS ug thung dia kita ki non garo batlara dei kata propose kadi pam tu kita ki garo ta hadir Meghalaya ya kedua katung kami isithi kathok ba khatlai tili ki post ke dei ki jong tang ki garo bet tenrei hadir bagi lawat kijing tip bat milayo ka kopi na kani ka khatlai kadi bat interview Dei kata sanction post, sanction ka vacant post ka data atali, ka sanction post no tunga raja ta kendai ka dei khatrio tali, kabdi khasi jentia sao garo sao bat kadi ga vacant post ka babata ar kadai di garo balik ngatra di kini ka raja ka nai nama haga tu ko por kani ka tuka high court ka shimla batha ai ta hadian kani ka sawan ka tuka jing batha ta daw ka sabi kini ki lemba kani ka ORD letter number Sarpo Arpuai ST Laispan Hadriu Hanyo di Shillong Kasawai Sarpo Arpuar. Tahadian pengilai pengilapet bah kedon katlai mut kita giban lek kata kita interview. Te katung kening city pengilai stu bah kebatho kena cek lene kata cek conscious holistically integrated prima kalau ke babakla ke mislet ya ke kur ke mislet di kecat Hadriu Hanyo tre bat ya karo unjuk jadi di community kai ka bagismo I kumbakane ka check ID man halor ba ka lawan pa kata ka jing trade ani kata ka roster ne po jala jungi tengi kun ka neutral integrated mismo ba balik ka provo hamne ka pos ka no ka tho ang to ba kane ka appoint yikinon Garo candidate which was meant for Garo candidate only as per the rule of the law. Hangno dal mengata rule of the law kung tangi Garo vacant post. Tang hak rusta ka kren. Nilai bagong hak vacancy unjuk ong dalay kunta. Breyak iya kaniru kung bakikam hangne kung katlay tali ka vacant post. Nilai nang yatho ibi katay kanriu vacant post kabahal ha grade 4. Kapadan Tung shipo kasi jentia sawi baru bat ari kinir bat pemimpin nama bat lalai katu dan kita shop pension tapi yang tu ka kebahan aru lain mesti perlu baru. Te kumau pi om tentang kumno ka flat mo mai pi badai kata kan urim ba kumno kinut ban kam ba kadai ka jong kikaro. Kam dai ka ba ID ki kon sam lagi kasi kam tam kadai ka kam kerkucan. Lalu kita clearly bom kadang vacant post limba rustar de tem ke karo kat kum kata ka bakil snai kan kade tapi keren be kum ni on ka post kum karo kum iklan study ni perlu jog acek ni semua kaya ni bagi om la kade ka bahan ka jongki mano hi bani ni ndrei bakil ban om pat bangin wan kini mani ya kata ka bahan namar ba ni ku kharmal ki de na ka osna ko jungi ndrei ki bakil wan om ban provo ban
Leaders of the FKJGP Maulangsu unit on the 1st of May headed to Maulangsu Subcenter to inspect on its condition, in which it is evident that the Subcenter lacks in many areas. There are no proper health facilities and there is a shortage of staff. The leader of FKJGP expressed his disappointment on the condition of the Subcenter because it brings uncertainty to the people seeking help in it, especially pregnant mothers. The distance between PHC and CHC is at a stretch of about 24 kilometers from where the Subcenter is located. Therefore, the union demanded the government, through the Department of Health and Development, to pay heed to the Subcenter and upgrade it into a PHC so that the people can avail to all medical facilities provided for them.
Minister berdipit ya koi kia bunchim kia lam nginjo kloy ya ka pan upgrade no sak PSC kenang ba kajing mentoy ya kipat ba khamtam ba kitu kiba pang kiba sistem kinlaj ne ginu kijingja kiba sosi de ni kerpat ru ya ki bor bahalor abede berkene ba kitu shimstik nomor nakaliang jom kasih tar ingin senang yai budin yakini ki baro ba kide banle klailan katbala ni kum inang yalam jong ka FKJP Maulangsu area unit kami ban page ang ka Subcenter kam upgrade no ya kane siya isi makicing don breuro kala obar kala bunba ba wat ki nos ng tray ang nero la system ya kata ka tray mar kajing jingay ro panlay siya do markasaro kala jingay
kat pinti ke ba ram.
On the 1st of May, MDC Bernard Marak spoke with the media persons regarding the extension of load shedding hours. He inquired the MEPDCL latest news circulation on additional load shedding hours for Garo Hills. The people of Garo Hills are facing lots of inconveniences due to the heavy power outage. He exclaimed that the MEPCL department failed to show any notification and orders from the government. He added that frequent power outage has become a regular feature in Garo Hills and the 10 hours shutdown has crippled the function of people, and they do not deserve that kind of treatment since their bills are paid on time. The load shedding imposed on the common people without any legal notification and order resulted in depriving the public of their basic needs, such as an issue cannot be as everyone depends on electricity for their daily discharge of activities.
Karen siani bidungo blowing anting nekani ko matnenga aria Karen siani bidungo chinga Sunday niko dao dakinga ye Sunday niko dakingon mamung official order ba sorkari ni order on gumen lekha ko misokna gata manjainga anting public jensolo anting election no vote ko phuninga anchinde anchina namgapa develop ko anchina anchina jangi thangani ko Nengratna, Anchina, Chi, Rama, Jalang, Light, 아르등 당등 안치니 나가리랑코 안치나 중앙가도 지나사 안치니 안타당니 보트코 어니 안치니 MLA랑코 안친 지하땡아 다우 일렉스니 자마논 안치니 메갈라야 도코 가렌 시나 바칭아 시동자나 바칭아 아로 야코 daknagata sorkari skatang dakna manja public na vietna nanggen sorkari yo niyam ko dakna nanggen thik khala nanggen notification dongna nanggen order dongna nanggen dalo china chini sandianio notification ko order ko na manjenga misok na manjenga gacham april jana tarik pa schedule ko china onata jekona simang neksuna kata manggen wa schedule de kontas nina karen ko of kanasa wa somoy ko baka andi ban chengarul sode kontat keng aro wa kontat kena bateba karenrang singa iani gaman darang ba kurang ongi janira anchini chakchkanira e namgi jagapa sason khani ko rachakani ka akye mane dalo kontat keng knalo ja hade kontat kurukpok na ba donga andi ban chini bilrang 당원이가 마 당원자 안치니 스나 나가니 디야사 망아 비아프라니카 고볼 마니가 빌랑 당원쟁아 곤타 측근 안천 가른 작할 작엔 치모디 빌랑 바아 타그럭 되게 당원은 나가침 은이금은 달로 앙니 나시망나 달랐다니 위했더니데 안층 즙동이 안치니 고사고 야한다까빠 순지따니코 라바니코 안치른 안층 즙니 동아이 자치나 마이나 안치니 즙 동안이라 안치니라 착하니까 악갱아 안층 소르카리 코 르나가다 안층 보트코니 만대용 왔다 한 어디 와 안치니 만대용 왔다 봐 만대랑코 안층 스나난겐 치니 라이크 따라마 용이야 치니 치라마 용이야 치니 라마라마 용이야 치니 메롱아라마 용이야 이 금묵한 치니 스나갔다 불코 만나 왜냐면 가사랑님 아파랑 안치니 다옹인 거 보스나 안치니 두아니코 닥나니 스나나가니코 안치 안다니 보트 카이 siat kepa manderango ancheng hisap korana apachena notification anga dade nexu khujane maina anchen notification ono ancheni deputy commissioner ni page phangna onronga naso nexu ama deputy commissioner ni page ya kharen deki sina singa nimang khali whatsapp message an sokpaya na whatsapp message an sokpaya daka bajuna off ongen daka bajuna off ongen duta gonta off ongen yasan sokpaya yede notification ongna manja notification deki order sokna nangen mana anching achakkinga anching bil gamgapa manderangara maini gemen anchingara dalo ya ndeke karen sianiko rachakna drattaniko manenga anching bil gama haba rianga ba besi bonga ba anching bil gamjo so bil gamgije dongwa taw bisonga ga nenga karen ko chaowenga nimang manching garu sansan chaowenga chawa chaowenga anching bil gamenga ode anchini karen ko anching chungi mananang gen 안층 빌 가밍아 어디 안층이 모바일 네트워크 안층 중에 많은 게 옹저리 야바 기사 소르카리니 chusok kija kham khani ka khe dalan chan darang bas jani gemensa ya ko bisong radu ruruinga ba gonta sa bon khan ban chen sikna nanget mani gemen gonta sa bon khainga gonta gini bon khan ba mana gonta gini bon khainga chen sikna nanget darang bas ja uni gemen dalo ya order donga notification donga ungen chumode anga chithi sia ha disina angna ba officially reply khon china anga bisoni page rang ni ko check khainga official order dongja public na biat su khali message an sok baya whatsapp message ho howe yede official order na manza anchuni manna nangani rang kho anchu manja gen chumode anga saksa bjp party ni saksa dil go bong sobakia schemo nokan tunan karen ko sokatna kata chuni sorkari thangkhat nat manjuk light post ko nat chok wire ang ko strung nat chok thangka chungi nat chok dalon dita scheme ko natani jamano light chingja gen chumore chingno nat ka param batchi anchok aro anchuni manderang ji mangan bpl family ni manderang wa wamang mama ba dalo bill game ba dalo ya anchi sakan tian bill gam ga ba manderang ara maina dal karen siya ko anchi chachot nang skhainga uni gemen anchi the consumer anchi the taxpayer anchi ko direct tax na manja indirect tax anchi light to chiyo parking na mobile na gamer ko anchi uni tax ara rainga ba uni manchi tax coming oda anchi na service pa nama hot na nangen uni me service ko nami na manja gen chmode bebe anchi court chiren gen court to anchi doktuk na nangen court to doktuk jagen chmode ikoda anchi ni kosa ko sunje tani dalo gonta chkan aga nenga knalo de gonta chibong bong gono gonta khul bong gono anchi ikora juk nira chakagen ma uni men anchi ni bot unani hisap pa ibana nangen howe anchi ni mande watani hisap ibana nangen anda jangde generator donga anda jangde inverter donga light pa sija gapandang sio ba chunga gata ma dongna ma nenga public bot khaga parangara maini ge mensa andalo dongna nang skhainga uni ge men anchini daitto donga anchini public na agan chakla nangani donga uni wa agan chakani ko dalo dalga parang ko anda tani bot mane chat ka ba mandir hon chasung duna nang thla
Words are the biggest weapons a man can arm himself with. Either it makes a man or breaks a man. Ernest Mauri, president of BJP Meghalaya, informed the media persons that he possesses no information regarding the claim made by A.L. Hek from Trinamool Congress. Ernest Mauri assumes that maybe it could be just a tea table talk. He urged A.L. Hek to filter his words and not make hasty decisions, rushing to the media persons and spread news which he is not well aware of, but he should consult with the party and its members. He added that BJP party will accept any leader who intends to merge in with the party, but they will have to pass through the leaders.
Mission to us till today, whether the TMC MLA they will join us, we are not aware. Maybe they discuss with him. He has already given the statement in the press, in a cup of tea, and discussed with them. So from the party side, we cannot give any statement unless they approach us.
Why is there so much?
Everybody they have their own inspiration, so we cannot stop that. You see, we cannot stop that. And from the party, I think within the few days, they will give the direction. You cannot go to the press openly against the party. Being a minister, he has to talk about his own department, what development he will bring for the state, for his department. For the party will take decision.
So are you going to issue a show cause?
Waiting for the thing from Delhi, we'll see.
But was there...
Anybody can join BJP from any party. But there should be a communication from the state and the center. That is the way it works.
Is there any
have no information regarding such initiative?
No information.
Is there any pressure?
Nothing. It's not like that. That will decide by central leadership.
But there was a report immediately.
You see, I have completed my term, 3 years, as prescribed in the constitution of the party. It depends on the party. I cannot give statement that I will continue or discontinue. That decision will be taken by the central leader. As I have already informed you that even the term of the national president has been extended from 13 January 2023 to 24th June 2024.
Don't you think you should?
For the first time, the music school Bahar, which is one of the few music schools that teaches and trains interested students in the field of music, organized the first annual program held in Banjio Satya Parishad Auditorium situated in Jail Road. Speaking with the media persons, the founder of the music school and at the same time the teacher of the Smith, Chaudhary informed that the school was established 15 years back, but this is the first time that it is celebrating the special day of the school. The aim of the school is to train the students who desires to learn and practice music along with learning the different musical instruments provided by the school's experts. Present in the occasion includes Dr. Partha Sarathi Chaudhary, who graced the occasion, teachers of the school, students part of the music class, parents and other invitees.
This is my music school named as Bahar. So this is the first annual function of my school Bahar. This is actually basically the motto is the platform for my children to exhibit their talent. Today's program will be a program with mixed flavor of different songs of different genres, and my students are from various parts of Shillong, and basically I try to groom them with classical part and the different type of songs, and time to time my students keep performing in various parts of the city on different occasions. And so this is now today a program, I can say a big magnitude program. Let me see how can I proceed with the program in the near future. 22 students will be performing, and there are many pass out from my school who have already done their graduation in music, and many are doing. Today 22 students, out of these 22 students, 2 students are already passed out, but they are I am very glad rather they have gladly accepted to perform in this program. So let's hope for the best. And renowned physician Dr. Partha Sarathi Chaudhary, he has accepted our invitation, and he has already come. He is the chief guest of our program today. He will grace our program. His presence in fact has graced our program. I actually basically, whenever any student comes to me, I basically focus on the grammar. The thing is, I always focus on that the student should get the proper training on the grammar part, and once the grammar is ready, any song, any student can sing any type of song. So that is my motto, that any student who is singing should know the grammar properly. That is my main motto. And on the other part, I take care that every student should be capable of singing all type of songs, because I believe music is the universal language. So any type of song, a student should be prepared to perform. This school, I have students from different parts of the city, as I said. I have Bengali students, of course, Assamese, Nepali, Khasi, Gado, Hajong, different community students I have. And the best part is, these students from different community, they show so much of interest in learning all type of songs, whether it is a Bengali song or any song, classical, any type of song. They are keen in learning this type of songs. I think 15 years back I have started this school, but formally this is the first time I am celebrating my school's annual function. Actually, all these years I have never planned to celebrate my annual function, but now onwards I will be celebrating this annual program every year.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.